वेलकम टू बैंड्रा डायरीज।
बैंड्रा सिर्फ कैफे और हैंगआउट स्पॉट्स का नाम नहीं है। बैंड्रा इज ऑल अबाउट लेगेसी, ट्रस्ट एंड ऐसे ब्रांड्स जो सालों से लोगों की लाइफ का हिस्सा रहे हैं।
और आज के एपिसोड में हम आपको लेके जा रहे हैं आइकॉनिक प्लेसेस में जिन्होंने बैंड्रा की लेन्स में अपनी स्ट्रॉन्ग आइडेंटिटी बनाई हुई है, और इसके बाद चिल करेंगे फुल ऑन मस्ती और वाइब्स के साथ।
विजय ऑप्टिकल्स बैंड्रा का वो प्लेस है जहां जनरेशंस अपनी आंखों का ट्रस्ट लेकर आती है।
दिस इज अ नाइस थिक वन। Welcome to Vijay Opticals.
विजय ऑप्टिकल्स बैंड्रा का वो प्लेस है जहां जनरेशंस अपनी आंखों का ट्रस्ट लेकर आती है।
यहाँ सिर्फ चश्मे नहीं मिलते हैं, विजन को समझा जाता है।
लेटेस्ट फ्रेम्स हो, क्लासिक स्टाइल्स हो या परफेक्ट लेंसेज, विजय ऑप्टिकल्स का फोकस हमेशा क्लैरिटी और कंफर्ट पे रहा है।
इस जगह का सबसे स्ट्रॉन्ग पॉइंट है एक्सपीरियंस, गाइडेंस एंड जनरल केयर।
इसलिए यहाँ कस्टमर्स नहीं आते, यहाँ रिलेशनशिप्स बनते हैं।
Barbie glasses. Today we are with one of the partners of Vijay Opticals. Hello sir.
Hello.
This is a lovely shop you've got here.
Thank you so much. The journey started around 45 years ago. It was started by Mr. Prem Shivnani. And me and my cousin Vishal, we are the second generation in the business. Today we have 3 stores across the city.
Oh, wow. Okay.
This one in Bandra at Pali Hill. Then the oldest store is in Andheri, 4 bungalows.
4 bungalows.
And we also have one at Versova.
So what is the current trend?
Right now the rimless ones that you see in display are the hottest selling pairs.
So is Cartier the hottest selling right
Cartier
now?
is certainly one of the very hot ones.
Wow.
Alongside, if you see all these mass luxury brands like Gucci, Tom Ford, Prada, they also do wonderfully well, but Cartier is special.
And what do customers basically come for? It's sunglasses or eyewear, general
They
eyewear?
come for both because we are a complete package.
Okay.
Yes, we definitely thrive a little more in sunglasses because people usually like our collection very much. But we are as potent with our optical department
Opticals
also.
also. And you'll get the latest launches as soon as they are launched internationally?
Yeah, we are lucky that we are one of the first few players in the whole country to get the fresh stocks before most of the others.
So do you have any standalone brands?
Yes, we do. This is a brand called Wawa. This is the one that we import from Portugal. If you see, the design is very, very geometric, and they have a very special hinge which is patented by them, and this hinge is actually made of aluminium. This makes it very, very unique and a very interesting design when you look at it. Then comes this brand called Kirk & Kirk. This comes to us from UK. The USP is again color. Just look how vibrant, how beautiful this color is. For anyone who fancies good colorful frames, this is the design and the brand to look at. In fact, this is one of the pairs that Mr. Amitabh Bachchan himself has worn on Kaun Banega Crorepati. There's another brand called Kubaram. Kubaram is a brand from Germany. All the frames are handmade in Italy. They are also fairly colorful. They have their own design element when it comes to the temples, and also the wearing comfort of each and every pair of Kubarams is over the top. One of the most comfortable pairs you can seek for yourself.
And do you provide any services for like eye testing if someone comes to you?
Yes, we
What's
do.
our number?
We have very experienced optometrist on board, and we have the latest equipment to take care of your eyes.
I'm sure you'll be suggesting also which frame
Of course,
and everything.
of course. That's a part of the whole experience that a customer gets. You know, our involvement and helping them decide, choose the right pair. That is where our expertise lies.
So what do you suggest Sabha and we should be trying on?
These Bottegas are one of the hottest pair.
Okay.
It's called the Bottega Sardine series. It's an oversized navy.
There's something unique about the
temples,
frame, yeah.
correct? Then there are these Miu Mius which are very uniquely designed again. They've
These
got
are
a very
really
beautiful
nice, yeah,
design to them.
And they've got a lovely feel to it. Great talking to you. Thank you.
so much.
Yeah.
See, look at this frame.
Yeah, this is a nice thick one. It's a nice thick one. See, these were the ones which I was saying I really like these.
Which ones?
See, I really think these suit me. अब जब लेगेसी और विजन दोनों चेक हो गए,
चलो थोड़ी फन और मस्ती के लिए मूव करते हैं.
the best thing about Bandra is that food finds you before you find it.
From crispy bites to spicy rolls to mouth-melting kebabs, you get it all here at Salim Shahi Sigri. Come.
Hello sir, how are you?
How are you, ma'am?
We are good. Since how long is your place?
It's been almost 5 years here.
So what's the best-selling item here?
We are specialized in North Indian kebabs. Like we have got the old Delhi vibe in Bombay.
Oh,
Mostly
okay.
we get many places, many kebabs are there, many options are there in Bombay nowadays. But you don't find authentic kebabs. We have all pure, like all masalas and everything else coming from Delhi.
Okay.
And then we ourselves in-house, we grind it, hand-grounded masalas. and
Oh,
all, like,
lovely.
Like you can try our kakori kebab, you can try our mutton steak kebab. We do
Uh-huh.
have a dahi chicken.
Yeah, Amul chicken and dahi chicken, I've heard of that, yeah.
And what's the hottest selling item that you sell maximum plates?
Butter chicken roll.
That goes the maximum in a day. Approximately how many plates or how many pieces?
Like approximately more than 300 rolls.
In a day?
300 on an average, yeah.
In a day.
That's
Only
lovely.
Afghani.
That's only
Wow,
Afghani
that's
roll. Wow,
very
that's
good.
yum.
So like
That's nice.
starters and all, like I have a wide range of kebabs. Like
Oh, okay.
it's all melt in the mouth. Like
And you do party catering, outdoor
we do house
catering,
parties,
everything.
We do parties orders. We do in-house catering orders.
What do you think it is about your kebabs that people keep coming back all the time?
See, it's nothing such. Like it's like many people are doing. Many people have opened the restaurants and all. Like the only thing is, you give your best. You make your recipe, make your food with your heart. It's not like this is not commercial. This is from passion. I started it with a small shack at Hill Road. I had a small shack over there.
Yes, I know that.
Opposite
yes, I
Andrews
did
Church.
it.
From there we came here, and after Alhamdulillah, after COVID, we are here until morning 5-6 a.m. Like we are killing it. Like people are loving it. We are only marketing through word of mouth. Man. We only
That's-
people love our food. They come and they enjoy our kebabs, grill rolls, and all.
You can walk in hungry, but you will never leave unsatisfied.
This is classic Bandra comfort foods. Yummy.
We wish you all the best.
Thank you, man.
See you in the next episode only on Bandra Diary.